Hi, 1Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to adjust the volume on Google Home Mini or how to change the Google Home Mini volume. So a lot of you get these and they get set up and they're either too loud or too quiet, and it's kind of goofy because there are no volume controls per se on here like you might see on an Alexa. So in order to change the volume on Google Home Mini, basically to turn it up, you hit the right side of it, and that's all the way up. So if we were to ask it a question, okay Google, what's the weather today?
In Chicago today, it'll be partly cloudy with a forecasted high of 34 and a low of 27. It's current.
Okay, so you can see that that was very loud. Now, if we want to turn the volume down, we tap on the left side of it, okay? And that's all the way down. And these little dots indicate how much volume you have on here. So that is how you adjust the Google Home Mini volume. So I've got it all the way down now, and now we can see just how much the volume changed on the Google Home Mini. So, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Chicago, it'll be mostly cloudy with a high of 33 and a low of 29.
And I adjusted it while it was speaking there, but you can see just the difference for the Google Home Mini volume between those two settings and how to adjust it. So there are no physical buttons. It's all about tapping the sides of the Google Home. So the right side turns it up, the left side turns it down, and I designate left and right from where that plugs in on the Google Home Mini for the Google Home Mini volume adjustment. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to support us, click on any links below or go to onehoursmarthome.com. Thank you.